Many thanks for joining me today on More Politicals. Kingsley Bass is my name. Welcome to Enterprise Television. Today we turn attention to the People's Democratic Party, the PDP, as a major court ruling from the Federal High Court in Abuja throws the much anticipated PDP 2025 National Convention into uncertainty. Now, in a dramatic judgment delivered in Abuja, Justice James Motoshaw of the Federal High Court has stopped the PDP from moving or going ahead with its planned convention, citing serious procedural breaches. According to the court, the party failed to conduct the congresses in some states, neglected to issue the mandatory 21-day notice to the Independent National Electoral Commission, and even violated legal requirement by allowing the national chairman to act without the National Secretary's endorsement. The ruling also restrains the Independent National Electoral Commission from recognizing any outcome from the convention until the party complies fully with the law. But the People's Democratic Party isn't taking this lying down. In a strongly worded reaction, the party described the judgment as an assault on Nigeria's democratic process. The party insists the ruling doesn't stop the party from continuing preparations for the convention and has directed its legal team to appeal the judgment immediately. So today, we have big questions on the show. What does this really mean for the People's Democratic Party's internal democracy? How might this reshape the party's path ahead of 2027? And could this legal tussle deepen the cracks within the party structure? I'm joined on the program Homo Politicus by Barrister and Solicitor of the Supreme Court of Nigeria and member of the People's Democratic Party, Tunji Abdulhamid. Tunji, welcome to the broadcast. Many thanks for joining me.
Thank you for having me. It's my pleasure to be with you.
Appreciate that. You look quite bright and excited. Even though there's been a ruling that shouldn't favor the People's Democratic Party. But let me hear your thought, on this real quick. For some person, okay, this is a major setback. In fact, I've seen some persons go to social media to say that the party, the People's Democratic Party, is now finished. For some other persons, they say, well, this might be positive for the party to put things together so that the party can move forward. What do you say? What's your perception, or what are your thoughts on this judgment by the Federal High Court in Abuja?
I think it's a clear call the court to the party to do the right thing and to ensure to protect those who want to contest election under the party. I think for me, it's a good what's it called? Early time warning to the party. You call 2023 election, particularly in Plateau State. The issue that the election House of Representatives who are from PDP, they are not there today simply because of defects in the Congress conducted. So if the court is saying they have not complied with the law, why not go back and then look at the issue raised by the court and correct it and then do the right thing so that we'll all be safe. That's the way I see that call to direct us to the right path.
So this is a positive for the party. But the party says, oh well, this is not good for the country's democracy. They're not taking this lightly. They feel like this is injustice.
They want to react and they want to see. They don't want to like it. For me, if I have my way and if I advise the party will be needed to, I would say we should just not think of any appeal. We'll just go and look at it, do what the court requires of us, and then ensure that the properties are done. You see, like I said, if we go ahead with that convention, we will be sitting on the gunpowder. Because you cannot go ahead with convention when about 12 states will be excluded from participation. It's not good over, and that will be a good grant to even nullify everything you have done.
So
what is the issue before?
Yeah. Okay.
The issue. What are the issues? The issue was that, look, if you recall, 2027 September, PDP state congresses were conducted everywhere. Unfortunately, in some states, about 12 or 4 of them, it did not hold. Imo, Cross River, Anambra, and the state again. The 4 of them, a day to the Congress, a day to 6th of September, they were directed to suspend it. And in that regard, they were not able to hold the Congress. Which means you don't have any state elective officers who participate in the convention. In other words, without the state escrow, who votes on behalf of the state? Who represent the state at the convention? That is the issue for them. Our right to participate is being taken away. Court, airports, as the court to read the writing. Let us finish our own. They are not saying there should be no convention. What they are saying is that, look, let's do our own congresses. Then when we finish our own congresses, we can now fix a date for the national convention. But no, those who are in charge, they have a determined arrangement. And they probably in court thinking that if you allow them to do this, their own congresses, it will affect their plan. And therefore they won't. So you see, the problem we have in PDP today is the problem of personal interest. Allow the personal interest, especially those in leadership, to use their own personal interest as the interest of the entire party. So they want to force their interest of the entire party. Not forgetting that, look, PDP is not APC. Where they have the president, where the president is the upper omega, where the president is the owner of the party, where the position of other members of the party does not matter when they want to take a decision. So they were thinking. So they were thinking PDP in that state. And I don't know. Especially when we have crisis everywhere. Especially when some people who are members of the party are bent on ensuring that the party is not settled. And then you also now allow yourself to be used by those people. That is why I think the leadership should not allow their own personal interests to override the interest of the party.
One of the bases to which or with which the courts gave that decision to halting the convention, this the signature of the national secretary. Well, in the build-up to this particular decision by the court, there were conversations. In fact, the PDP has said, and some persons had come forward to say, indeed, the National Secretary, Senator Samuel Anyanwu, signed, for that. But from what the court says, the court, did note that he really did not, that the national chairman acted in isolation without the consent of the National Secretary as well.
I do not know what was put before the court for the court to come to that conclusion. But if the court is able to come to that conclusion, probably because of the fact before the court is able to see that, look, there was no notice. What I know was that in August there was a claim that Mr. signed the letter, a notice together with the chairman to INEC. And he was there when the chairman of the Governors Forum, the party, Governor Bala, said so. He didn't say anything until when this issue come up. You see, that's why I say everybody is working with their personal interests. I align with him to the extent that no state should be left should be deprived of participation in that convention. So not allowing them. And as it is now, it's probably the situation is leader of the party in Igbo State because he's the most senior ranking member of the party. So he wants to participate. And then he's looking for a way to say, look, we must stop this convention. Otherwise, we will shut out. So probably that was why I see Atos is claiming that he signed that. But because said there's no notice, probably there was not enough notice to do that.
Well, you've spoken twice now about personal interest overriding party interest, and that's why the PDP is here for months. As a matter of fact, maybe for 2 years or maybe 3 years now, there's been the there's been the talks about the Federal Capital Territory Minister some Wike being the heart of the troubles facing the party, confronting the party. Well, he doesn't seem to be in the picture now. So who then, or what group of people are orchestrating the troubles? He's not part of the INEC. He's not a governor. He's even said that they're trying to sideline him, being a former governor, a 2-term governor, and even minister of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. So who then is orchestrating things, and not, because it's been said that, oh, Wike has been doing things not to make the party move forward. Now he's not necessarily in the picture, but so can the party still blame Wike for doing this?
I'm not going to sit here and blame anybody. I'll blame almost everybody. If I want to blame people, so many people blamed. Majority of the leaders are puppets with space. They are all fighting for their personal interests. Be it Governor Wike, be it Governor Shemakinde, be it chairman, be it chairman of the government forum. They are all trying to. You see, the issue we are seeing here is the fight for the soul of the party, control of the party. Everybody wants to take control. They want to be the alpha and omega of the party. They want to determine what happened in the party. That's what we are seeing. So, I will say, Mr. Wike has no take in this all Labalu. I will not blame him because as a leader, as a stakeholder in the party, he also needs to protect his own interests. My own problem with him is that he has come open to say he's not going to support the candidate of the party. So if you are not interested in supporting the candidate of the party, why not allow them to do what they want to do and pick whoever they want to pick? You cannot say you are not interested in supporting the candidate of the party and you see one determine who become the candidate that you will not support. That's where I find the party. He is fighting for his right to be consulted. He is fighting for his right to participate. If he's fighting to ensure that look, everybody is carrying along. I won't blame him for that. He's a member of the party. He has made the party has done enough so much for him, and he has also contributed to the party. So he has a say in whatever goes on in the party. So I will not blame him. There are so many other people. I will blame all of them. I'm not blaming him alone. I'll blame almost all the leaders in the party, particularly those leaders who are running away from the party today. Those who are claiming that they are running away. I see them as cowards. You cannot have a house or a family, and the family is having crisis, and the solution from the opposite side, as a leader, at the end of the family, is to say, I'm leaving the house. That shows you are not mature enough to deal with anything. That's what I see. So I blame those governors who are leader of the party, because when you talk about parties in this Nigeria, the governors in quotes, don't forget the fact that we have NWC. The NWC are the mercy or the control of the governors. The NWC don't have to spend the money on their own. It is the government that will supply the money. If you don't have the money, you cannot do anything. So if you are not in tune with the governors, they will abandon you. So I indirectly, the governors control the party. So if you are the governor, there's a crisis and you cannot come up and say, let's see how we can solve this matter. And the only solution to you are moving out. It shows you are selfish. So you are not interested in the member of the party. You show you are not interested in the member of the party. That's where they are playing. And this plan is not today. It started from day one. President Obasanjo, he left the party that took him to direct him from where he was before 1999. Yeah, same thing. President Jonathan, as soon as he left office, he abandoned the party. So most majority of them like that. They did say. So what do we expect to see now? So people who are fighting, they are fighting for the soul of the control of the party. They want to compete. We have so many different ideas. Normal in the party to have purpose. You have different groups in the party. Every party has a group. You must belong to a particular platform. So we have a PDP platform. We have the Makinde. We have so many other people. Everybody is trying to take control and say, look, I want to be in charge. And if you know very well, follow the history of the game in PDP very well. You know that is a very real supporter of what's it called of Minister of FCT. So that's why most times I say when he say suspend that, I say look, even if suspended, even if he started with the party, they wielded so much power that they can even from outside the party control the party because it's not them that will be doing the job. That is the people within the party that will be doing it. As long as people within the party are compromised, there's no way people outside will not be able to control them.
Interesting. Well, we've got to close in just a moment, but just before we do that, again, this issue about interest. Just a few days ago, we saw the former governor of Jigawa State, Sule Lamido, visits the national secretariat of the party, saying he wants to obtain the form to contest the national chairmanship position of the party, and there was so much drama regarding that. Meanwhile, the Governors Forum, the PDP Governors Forum, had released the communicated to the public before that they were in support and, as a matter of fact, endorsed Turaki for the national chairmanship position. Tunji, this again looks like another division that could stop the party from moving forward. What do you have to say about this? The nomination, the forms, the nomination forms, there are rumors that they're not available. There are thoughts too that, as a matter of fact, I just saw moments back that someone has indicated interest to be national chairman. What's this thing about, and what do you know? What can you tell Nigerians and the world about this nomination form? Hula baloo, for want of better words.
Yeah, you have had everything that happened. They've told you the story. So
yes, please.
It's not the government forum that pick anybody. It was within the party that is an arrangement. And they said the chairman of the party should come from the northwest. So it is the people from the northwest came together. And I like saw himself as from the northwest as well.
Yes,
Jigawa was not consulted. Being part of that northwest. So if I am big enough in this party to be recognized and to be carried along. You see, one major problem in party politics is that if you are somebody, or you see yourself as somebody, and you are not consulted, it could cause so much. Little things that can resolve can become a serious issue. So the issue of consultation is what is the issue here. The issue of carry along is what is the issue here. And sometimes that issue of not being carried along is always deliberate. When they know your position, and they want to achieve a particular objective, they will just come together and say, you have taken this. You see, when the law allows for consensus candidates,
yeah,
but that consensus candidate does not mean that any other person cannot contest. But what we see in our own case in Nigeria is that when they say there's a consensus candidate, everybody will shut up. No. What it means is that the party has indirectly given somebody an advantage by saying he's a consensus candidate. That does not mean other person cannot contest. Any other person who is not agreeing with that person can also pick the form. But what they are doing now is that any other person can pick the form apart from the consensus candidate. So which for me, they should have allowing the form. And I think they will play that game. It may not even win the election thereafter. But because he was not carried along, was not pacified, probably because they know his mindset, know where he belongs, is the reason why we have this now. So like I said, parties have an interest.
Yeah, he's threatening to go to court now. He's threatening to go to court. We've got to go in just a moment. He's threatening to go to court. What does that mean for the party, by the way, if he goes to court?
What is the legal going to court? Is it not? Anybody, if you feel aggrieved, you can go to court. It's your right to go to court. And the court will determine. It's even good to go and determine that everybody not be playing the guest game. So if you try to go, in any event, the convention is going to be suspended. And we are going to plan now as to what to be done. We have all made our plan against 1516. Hotel have been booked. So many things have been done. So those things will have to be arranged as it is now. So for me, I'm happy. I'm telling you, because I don't want to go into the situation whereby we want conduct an election, we do all our effort in it, we win the election, and then somebody will come and say the election the foundation was not proper. There was no proper confession. Then therefore, all the results are cancelled. Just like what happened in the Plateau State and what happened in Zamfara State. I don't want that to happen. So I think we should go to writing.
Finally, before we wrap the conversation, the party has said they will appeal, or they've told the legal team of the party to appeal the decision. How long will this take? What was the window, just for legal education purposes? What's the window for appeal? And you've said already that you don't think the party should do so, but for legal education purposes, what's the window for this to happen?
I don't think they should do so. How they will even do that, I don't know, because the chairman, remember the chairman had an issue with the legal advisor who should take action. The chairman said to other lawyers, and the legal advisor also said, look, I have to person to third party. And the court found in his favor. That is only the legal advisor that can fight case against or defend case against the party. So now that the national advisor don't have belief in, it is the same person that will say you should go and file appeal. What will happen? So for me, if you are doing our appeal now, are we saying we don't want to do our convention again? Because appeal is not something that will be done within a month or two. It's not something that the court will handle until SPD hearing. Let's put it today or next month. Whenever it happens with PDP. They may not even hear it till next year. So why not go and settle down, resolve the issue amicably, and do the right thing, and then let's move on. Rather than go to court and start testing. You see, I know what is happening against it. I'm not telling you here. I know the reason why they are afraid of this. Some people think, look, if this conference were allowed to go on, where they are on the edge, their interest will not be protected. So they want people who are with them, and still today now, most of the states where these organizations are not being aired, they see those places as people who are against them. So that is why this is happening. And they want a situation whereby they will never be able to do that. So that they will now impose, they will now do all category committee. They will now choose people they believe will answer them whenever they call them.
All right. Okay, barrister and solicitor of the Supreme Court of Nigeria. Yes?
You got it. I said,
well, that's why we have you on the program, at least to share thoughts and to, of course, let the Nigerians know what exactly is happening. Well, barrister solicitor of the Supreme Court of Nigeria, I'd like thank you so much for being a part of the conversation today on Homo Politicus. We've been talking the court's decision to halt the planned convention, the much anticipated convention of the People's Democratic Party. I tell you that, this is said to be much anticipated because, including pressmen like myself, political party members, I'm talking opposition political party members, are looking forward to that. Yes, looking forward to that, to see how the PDP moves forward. They've been screaming, they're going to bounce back. We're hoping to see how they do so come November 15, 16, when that national convention holds. Well, looks like that won't be for now. Well, Tunji, thank you one more time. Okay, we'll see.
Whenever you think it's over, that's come back. That's the truth. When people are saying the PDP is dead or whatever, no, they are only looking at national part of it. Come to my state. PDP is founder than APC. I can tell you that for free.
Well, thank you one more time for being a part of the conversation. That's Homo Politicus today. Until next time, we say may God continue to bless the Federal Republic of Nigeria. Bye for now.